It's the 3rd of November 2021, and welcome to the Storm Daily Debrief. Just to recap yesterday's action, we had diversified miners under quite a lot of pressure, with anglers and bulletins shedding 3+%. We had iron ore down considerably and coal futures also struggling. I think this morning we got a little bit of a rebound in the coal area, with BHP Billiton up nearly 1% in Oz, and Rio also doing a bit of a reversal from the lows. So it'll be interesting to see this morning how they trade. I think the standout yesterday was our local SA Inc. banks, so that'll probably be one of our focus points today. We do have FOMC today, which I think might be quite an important meeting, with a lot of expectations for the taper. Just to look at since our close, I think S&P is pretty much unchanged. I think it's down about 5 points since our close. We've got a rebound in coal, iron ore futures slightly higher, rand pretty much unchanged. VIX is a little bit lower. 10 cents nearly was down 1%. Pounds actually traded quite well compared to the ADR, and the Aussie are looking to open around 61,300. Gold price also off a little bit since our close. So just to have a look quickly, I think we're just going to look at three of the banks, and then maybe a quick trade for the 10 o'clock open. So first trade, I think, is one that has traded quite well. The volumes have been pretty high on the exchange. I think they traded about 15 million shares. It's got about 15.31. Let's maybe have a watch for continuation today to see if we can hold a level of support is 58.50. Let's keep an eye on that one. Capitec also is another one which came with a pretty decent numbers. Stock has definitely sort of held quite decently. It's above 17.31, so I think also the chart starts looking bullish as it holds a lot of above the key EMAs. And finally, let's look at Standard Bank. Standard Bank is also probably one of the more preferred of the banks. Also very similar, all three of the charts looking quite similar. So I think we're looking to buy pullbacks, in these banks today. The volumes were up a lot better than they have been previously. So let's keep an eye on these banking sector. And then finally, I think maybe let's watch Anglos and TGA, both dual listed. Let's see what happened. Anglos, obviously had a bit of a down day yesterday, but hold pretty well first thing in the morning. Maybe watching for Anglos to see if we can get an opportunity come 10 o'clock for it to cross higher in London. That's pretty much all the ideas for this morning. I think a lot of attention is going to be paid to later to see where the next move is. So let's try and be quick and actionable trades. And I think we we had a decent trade yesterday in Massmart. I think this is really, really played out exactly as we thought it was going to play. So we're going to be looking for many more setups like this, and actionable trade ideas. Good luck for the day.